Daily English conversation between two friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to practice a long, natural English conversation between two friends. This video is very helpful for beginners, and it will also help you improve your pronunciation and get better in English. Please make sure to watch until the end, because every part of this conversation includes useful phrases for daily life. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more English practice videos. Conversation. Two friends catching up. Characters. Alex, friendly, outgoing. Sam, curious, learning-minded. Part 1. Meeting at the park.
Alex, he's Sam, long time no see. How have you been?
Sam, hi Alex, I've been good, thanks. Just busy with work and life, you know. How about you?
Pretty much the same. Work keeps me on my toes, but I can't complain.
Yeah, I hear you. Sometimes I wish we had more time to just relax and hang out.
Absolutely. By the way, are you free today? Maybe we could grab some coffee later.
That sounds perfect. I was actually hoping we could catch up properly. So, how's work going for you these days?
It's busy, but exciting. We just started a new project, and it's challenging but fun.
Oh, nice. What kind of project is it?
It's about designing a new app for language learners.
Really? That's amazing. I've always thought you'd be great at something like that.
Thanks, man. And you, how's your jobs?
Honestly, it's been stressful, but I'm learning new things every day.
What do you usually do after work these days?
Mostly reading, watching some English videos online, and sometimes playing guitar.
That's cool. Still practicing your English every day.
It's hard sometimes, but I know I need to keep going.
That's the spirit. Practice makes perfect.
True. And having conversations like this really helps.
Great job, everyone. You just went through a full English conversation between two friends.
This kind of practice is very powerful for improving your listening, speaking, and pronunciation skills.
Remember, the more you listen and repeat, the better your English will get. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends who are also learning English.
And don't forget to watch until the end of my other videos too. They are full of useful conversations for beginners. Keep practicing every day, and soon you'll be speaking English confidently. See you in the next video.